I had thousands of calls from everywhere. And I kept saying, I'm okay, I'm okay. And they said, are you sure? Are you sure? One particular emir, I will mention in them, His Royal Majesty. He said, okay, if you're okay, put it on video. No video. He said, put it on video. Let me see your face. So I did, and we started laughing. He said, okay, I'm satisfied. so I thank you so much, and I'm happy to be back. And of course, Mr. President has gone on diplomat.
You know, the problem with people around the corridors of power is that people do not tell them the truth. Akpabio, to be clear, people did not ask questions because we missed you. People asked questions because when they saw you in Geneva, you were walking with a walking stick and you were managing or struggling to walk. And people felt, this guy may be sick. What did happen? And that was how the rumor started. So nobody was asking because we missed you. We were asking where you are because the last photo we saw of you was a man struggling to walk. Unfortunately, your age will not tell you the truth, and you think people miss you, nobody missed you.
I don't want to laugh. I think there is something about these big men, you know, because there is a difference between being rich and being big, and I think we have a whole lot of big men in Nigeria. Beyond the picture we saw in Geneva, where he was literally being guided and guided to a seat, and even when he was about taking his seat, you know, his aides literally held him to sit down properly. Before that, we had seen a video where he was wearing dark shades, and it was as if he was walking like a blind man with his, you know, swagger cane or walking stick. And the police orderly to him actually had to point to the floor where he had to put his foot, his left foot in particular. It was very obvious that this man was ill. And beyond all other things, you are a human being. So what about it? If you, for me, if he was ever going to explain anything, if people have been calling you all this while, you have all their special assistants on media, on strategy, name it, new media, and you were far away in London, doing what? The questions were being raised. If you were not in hospital, they should have just sent the message immediately, and you wouldn't need to explain by the time you returned to Nigeria. You waited until after, I think, about 3 weeks or thereabout, and then you landed in Nigeria before you're explaining. I think that leaves room for a lot of controversy. For me, if you don't say it when it is necessary, there will be a lot of speculations. We're happy that you're well, but missing you, just like you said, I don't know. Because where you have a legislature that is basically rubber stamp, like we have in Nigeria today, Bakari, the pastor, has said that the president is actually energizing the legislature, and because of his way of doing things, the legislature is also doing, you know, things the way it likes. Now you are back, fine and good, but the ultimate here is that you are a human being. No matter your status, you can fall ill. It's just as simple as that.